Boot soles are the enemy of your beautiful chrome exhaust. So are plastic bags, road tar, cheap rain gear, and bugs. Once they melt or get baked onto your pipes, they don't want to come off. Harley-Davidson boot mark remover doesn't give them that option. They're coming off, fast and easy. Just shake it up, then apply it directly to the problem area on cold pipes. Let stand for several minutes, rub with your bar and shield pad, then remove with a soft cloth. Extra tough problems may require some elbow grease and a thumbnail. A quick rinse and your factory shine's been restored. Harley Boot Mark Remover is specially formulated to be brutal on the ugly stuff, but gentle on your bike. Don't risk damaging your pride and joy with oven cleaners or harsh chemical solvents. They're not made to work on chrome and can eat right through your beautiful finish. Use what the world's best bike detailers use. Harley-Davidson Boot Mark Remover.